This is a video on how to make the cheddar cheese dosa or the cheddar cheese crispy dosa. This is my flat cast iron pan and which is on very low flame right now, the lowest flame that you have on the gas, and it's the bigger size of the flame. Once the cast iron pan is decently warmed up, what you do is you add nice 2 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee is a better option for making the cheddar cheese crispies because it captures the heat properly and it doesn't let the cheddar cheese stick on the cast iron. So use ghee for preparing it. Now these are 4 slices of cheddar cheese. This is Delecta cheddar cheese. It comes in slices. You might also get cheddar cheese in block, where you'll have to probably grind it or make small particles and then prepare it in a circle. So what I'm going to do right now is I've put ghee earlier. In this I'm going to put these 2 slices over here. It's on really low flame right now. Now I want to make a circle over here, so I'm going to basically break it and design it with my special designing skills of making a circle. So I'm very good at designing here. So you can see how I'm making it over here. Some small triangles over here to add. Just try and get a circular shape, and you'll have an amazing cheddar cheese crispy at the end of it. So don't hesitate to put additional cheese if you like. You can always add more cheese. Just ensure that you are cooking it in ghee. Right. So it looks like a circle. Now we'll let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes till it kind of turns a little brown. This is my secret ingredient which I put on top of it. If you're really keen to know what I'm putting on top of it, you can WhatsApp me. This just adds to the crispiness of the cheddar cheese. This is another secret ingredient of my cheddar cheese formula. You can add any spices that you prefer having on your cheddar cheese, but this is my secret formula. I make it myself and I enjoy this formula. Now while this is cooking, let's make the base or the inside stuffing that is again full of fat. That is cream cheese, cream, and another secret ingredient to give it some nice taste. Now I'm going to add 2 heap tablespoons of cream cheese. This is cream cheese. Don't hesitate, don't feel shy to add fat to your diet. It is amazing, and that's what keeps me thin. That's what helps me lose weight faster. That's what I've noticed. Adding fat in the diet. So along with protein, this is cream, pure cream. Add lots of cream. Yeah, spill some cream outside, but that's a part and parcel of cooking. Yeah. And now time to add some interesting secret ingredient. And this is my secret ingredient which I'm adding now in this. So again you can see it's red color, so it's spice, and I've added some salt also in it. Very little salt, like a pinch of salt, and I'm going to grind it really nicely. This is how it looks after mixing it. The color has changed, and this cream cheese and the cream which we mixed along with the secret spice and some salt, it goes really well with the cheddar cheese dosa or cheddar cheese crispy, whatever you may choose to call it. So now this looks as if it is done, and we are adding the cream in between. So this is the cheddar cheese dosa or cheddar cheese roti, whatever you might want to call it. So The center portion is cooked first. The outer portion is still sticky, but we are going to fold it anyways and leave it to cool down. So once it cools down, it gets hard and crispy. Yeah, so you can see it's a little soft on the outer side. I'm going to switch the gas off now, so we don't want to overheat it and spoil it. You have to be a little careful while lifting it off the edges. Sometimes it can remain soft, but if you successfully top it up and fold it, it will become nice and hard once it cools down.